Professor Higgins knew the physics of a bicycle perfectly. He could write the complex formula of balance on a blackboard with his eyes closed. He lectured his students on gravity and motion every day. He was always right. One day, he decided to actually sit on a bike. He pedaled 2 times, wobbled, and crash! Straight into a bush. He sat in the leaves with a bruised knee and a damaged ego. The formula kept his mind safe, but the crash, it woke his spirit up. Here's the truth. You can study the map forever, but you only learn the road when you hit the ground. Most of us are exactly like Professor Higgins. We have become professional students of our own lives. We read endless books on how to be happy. We watch videos on how to be confident. We memorize the rules of love, success, and inner peace. Confidently, we feel smart because we know the answers.
Yes!
We think that because we understand the theory of pain, we will not feel it. We think if we calculate the failure, we can avoid it.
No.
But knowing the path is not the same as walking it. You can read every book on swimming, but you will never know what water feels like until you jump in and get wet. Why do we stay at the blackboard? Why do we prefer the map over the road? Because the blackboard is safe. In your mind, you are perfect. In your plans, nothing goes wrong. Inside your head, you never have to face the embarrassment of falling into a bush. We are terrified of the wobble. We tell ourselves we are just preparing, but often, preparation is just a fancy word for hiding. We treat life like a math problem to be solved, but life is not a math problem. It is a messy, beautiful experience to be felt. Think about the last time you truly grew. Did it happen when you were comfortable? No, it happened when you fell. It happened when you tried something new and failed. That bruised knee is not a failure. It is a badge of honor. The formula is cold, but the bruise is warm and real. You cannot learn balance by sitting in a chair. You only learn balance by losing it over and over again until your body remembers what to do. So, please, put down the chalk. Step away from the blackboard. It is time to get on the bike. You do not need more information. You need action. Will you wobble? Yes. Will you look foolish? Maybe. But a life with bruised knees and messy hair is far more beautiful than a perfect, untouched image. Do not wait to be ready. The fear does not leave while you stand still. The fear only leaves when you move. Just push the pedal, feel the wind, feel the uncertainty. That feeling is not danger. That feeling is called being alive.